In this video, we take a look at card mixing procedures that give the appearance of mixing the cards thoroughly, when in fact they are simply equivalent to a packet cut. So what I thought we would do is just quickly review the effect of a packet cut on the ordering of a packet of cards. So I have here the Ace of Hearts through the Eight of Hearts. And of course the Ace is on top and the Eight is on bottom. So if we turn this packet over and allow the spectator, or you can do it yourself, just randomly cut off any number of cards. So this top portion becomes the new bottom of this rearrangement of the cards, and the original bottom portion becomes the new top. Okay, so let's take a look at where we happen to have cut the cards. Okay, it looks like we cut 6 cards to the bottom is what we've done. So the Ace was on top, 8 on bottom. Now in some ways we haven't really harmed the organization of these cards relative to their closest neighbors, okay? So to see this, what I thought we would do is go ahead and look at them arranged in a circular arrangement. And then you'll be able to see really what's going on, and it will help us understand why cutting a cyclic packet, that's a packet that has a pattern that repeats multiple times, while cutting such a packet will not actually harm the fundamental structure of it being cyclic. Okay, so let's go ahead and just picture what we had laid out linearly, Ace to the Eight of Hearts. Now we're going to assign those cards to different positions on this circle. Okay, so the 1 is representing the Ace of Hearts. It was the top card. And then the second card down was a 2, 3, 4, all the way to the bottom card, which was an 8. So we happen to have cut 6 cards to the bottom. So what that has done, in fact, let's just cut 1 card to the bottom and we'll just work up to our 6. So this is the current top. If we, quote, move the top card to the bottom, what that does is it rotates this so that the new bottom card is the 1 and the new top card is the 2, okay? And then cutting another card to the bottom rotates it so that the new top card is a 3, and then a 4, and then a 5, and then a 6, and then we actually cut 6 cards to the bottom. So that would bring the 7 to the top, and of course the 6 would be on the bottom. And that's what we see over here. The 6 is on the bottom, and the 7 is on top. So when it comes to cutting a packet of cards, to really visualize what's going on, it's best to view the cards in a circular configuration as drawn here. Okay, so just be aware that depending on the structure of the cards, cutting the cards will not harm the fundamental structure. Okay, now card cutting is a fairly simple action, right? It doesn't look all that convincing that the cards are being scrambled when you do a packet cut, right? So what we're going to look at here, let me go ahead and put them in order again with Ace on top, 8 on bottom. We're going to show you first something called the Charlier Shuffle. Okay, now this is one of the most powerful shuffles in all of card magic for the simple reason that it is so incredibly convincing that the cards are being thoroughly mixed, when in fact all of the movement of the cards that you'll see in just a second is equivalent to cutting the packet at some location. Absolutely amazing. Okay,